Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, wherever you are in the world today. Thank you for joining me. My name is BTick, and I wanted to show you one of my favorite one balloon swords. Now, there's a lot of different one balloon swords out there, but I want to show you one that is durable, that holds up in a fight, looks cool, and has a secret benefit during those crazy sword fights. So, let me show you my favorite balloon sword. So, first of all, I'm going to grab one balloon because it's a one balloon sword. And I'm going to blow it up almost all the way, just a little bit. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is a tulip twist. Now, if you don't know what a tulip twist is, check out my playlist for balloon techniques. And in there, there's actually one called a tulip. So check that out. I'm going to do a little tulip twist, just a little bit in there. And that's going to give us that look right there. Okay? That's the hardest part of the whole balloon, really. So, going to now fold it. You just want it big enough so that this part of the balloon can go through it. And what we're going to do is we're going to do between 4 and 6 bubbles because it's going to matter on how big the kid's hand is. So my hand's pretty good size. So we're going to do six bubbles. Bring it down, around, and through, and that is all it takes. Now, here's the cool thing about this balloon. First, I said it was durable. This thing can take a wow. Two, it doesn't fall apart because everything's just twisted right in there. If the worst case scenario, these are going to come undone, whoop to do. Three, I think it looks cool. I was taught this maybe 25 years ago, and I still have not seen a better one balloon sword. And my favorite, the secret component, right here, balloon knuckles. When kids are going crazy and they're swinging all around, somebody's going to hit somebody in the head. But with the balloon knuckles, it doesn't hurt as bad. Really, you can't even feel it. So let's learn how to make this awesome balloon sword. My favorite one balloon sword. So take one balloon, your choice of colors. We made the last one gold. Let's go purple. I'm gonna blow it up about 3 fingers there. Tie it off. I'm now gonna do that tulip twist by pushing it in, grabbing it. And if just a little tip, if you have problems pulling your finger out, just put a little bit of baby powder on. Some fingers are rougher and they kind of grabs. Mine are pretty smooth and I can pull it right out. But if you need a little baby powder, it works really well. Okay, so now you're gonna make your big fold twist. Again, you don't want to make it huge. You want to make it just about the diameter of 2 inches internally so that your 2 inch round balloon can go right through. Okay, now you're going to make your 6 bubbles. This one will do 4 so you can see the difference. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to bring that back in, pull it through, and just like that, we have this cool sword. Now, there's a lot of swords that are like it, where they do maybe the fold here, and then they pull it through. That's like the traditional pirate sword, and try that to see what you like about that one. I haven't seen too many that do the balloon knuckles, and that to me is what makes this balloon. I love the little finishing touch of that. You don't need to worry about the nozzle coming undone and whatever. But this is cool. It's quick. Parents like it because if they're walking around an art fair, it actually stays on the hand. Or if they really want to, it goes on the wrist. And if you want to have fun, now you can wrist sword fight. This is actually really good also for kids who have physical disabilities with their hands and can't grasp things. They can also feel like they're involved. Um, I one time had a kid in a wheelchair and had some limitations. So we made one on each wrist and we were pushing around while he's swinging this. Oh, it was highlight. It was so much fun. He was definitely in his very happy place. And all the kids were having fun being able to play with him in that way. So that is my favorite one balloon sword. And if you like that, check out some of the other stuff on the channel. We have several different playlists that we're growing. And if you got any suggestions of things you'd like to learn, easy stuff, advanced stuff, whatever, let me know. Right now, I'm really making the effort to do at least 3 videos a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And I'm trying to make a biggest library as quick as I can to help people get going. Um, it is purpose that we're starting right now on the easy things, the one balloon things, the basics, the foundation pieces, the techniques, because I am a firm believer you got to learn those things well so that you can do the other stuff well. So there is a method to the madness, as they say. And according to my friends, there must be a lot of method because I'm a lot of madness. So, hey, you can't call someone a lunatic unless they're a little bit of a lunatic. Or as my friends also pronounce it, balloonatic. And yes, I am addicted to my balloons. I have been through withdrawals. So it is my hope that if you know nothing about balloons, by starting the way we are, we're going to get you up to speed. And if you know something about balloons, maybe it'll be a good refresher as we're getting ready for the big things and you can suggest some things. We're also going to be throwing some things in even now to start wetting your whistle. But simple things, even if you're really an advanced twister, still have their place. And that's why this is one of my favorites because a smile is free. A thank you only takes a moment, but an encouraging word at the right time can change someone's life forever. Keep on twisting. Till next time.